It was one of those mornings. I woke up late and my high schooler was on his deathbed and would not be able to make it to school. Of course, I was halfway to work by the time that I realized that I forgot my lunch, so I stopped off to get the ingredients for this citrus salad. We're always looking for something easy and healthy for lunch here at the Retreat Center, and ideally something that will feed a bunch of people. This citrus salad hits on all cylinders. I doubled the recipe and it easily fed 8 people. If you're not feeding a bunch of people, you can use half of the ingredients which are listed in the caption. I basically cut up a couple of oranges, a couple of avocados, a whole head of red cabbage, a couple of green onions, and a red onion, and then added a bag of shelled edamame and a half a cup of cashews to the bowl. The recipe for the dressing calls for white balsamic vinegar, which probably would be a little prettier, but it's not what I had. I had regular balsamic, and we're working with what we got. I added balsamic vinegar, olive oil, maple syrup, coconut aminos, and ginger to this little dish and stirred it up and threw it in. And it's about this time that I admit to myself that this bowl is just not big enough. We're going to throw it into another bowl. And voila, lunch is ready. Honestly, it felt much better after I ate. I probably was just hangry. Anyway, if you've got a great salad recipe that we need to try here at the Retreat Center, leave it in the comments. Thanks.